Last summer I was using the 27-gallon sturdy tote from Costco as a reservoir single fill type container for non-circulating hydroponics to grow peppers in. And I dealt with several issues trying to keep rain out of the totes. The reason for that is once I fill the containers with water and nutrient, I do not want any additional water coming into the container because the tips of the roots condition themselves to water and nutrient uptake while the upper roots do the gas exchange functions. So after several frustrations, I finally figured out this year that I could take the containers, I could stack 2 net cups together to raise the plant height up just a little bit, sleeve the entire container with a 42-gallon trash can liner, and what happens is the whole container is really functioning much in the way of someone wearing a rain slicker. The water does cascade off the sides, it does not go into the containers, and in addition the slight elevation of the double net cup in the center where I cut the slit and drop the plant through helps to direct the water away from the base of the plant. So this has been tested throughout 2018, and as you can tell right now we're about to face another storm. There is lightning and thunderstorms headed in from the west, and I am really not worried about the rain coming because over rain after rain after rain this summer, the totes themselves have not taken in any rainwater. So I would have to say that this has been a successful update, you know, in terms of being able to help anyone else looking to use these totes outdoors. The 42-gallon trash can liners are contractor grade, and I picked those up from a store called Lowe's. So if anyone has any questions and would like to bounce those off in the comments below, I would be happy to answer those. Also, if you are looking to do this, it can be done more easily with a trash can. If you look behind these plants, what you'll find is a couple 32-gallon trash cans with domed lids. Those domed lids automatically shed the rain off to the edges, and I could drop a net cup through the lid on either one of those and have not had much of a problem in the past growing in that manner. So container choice is very essential in terms of your success, and if I could help anyone else with my trials and tribulations with dealing with outdoor hydroponics, these are a couple great tips.